Find a formula for the function whose graph is the given curve. We want to assume that the points are in the form of x, f of x. And the line segment joining the points are 3, -2, and 7, 12. So let's go ahead and do that. So here we have our order pair. So this represents x1, and then this is f of x1. Okay, and then this is x2, and then this is f of x2. Okay, so therefore those are our order pairs. So for step number 1, what we want to be able to do is we want to be able to find a slope. So the slope is by taking f of x2 minus f of x1 divided by x2 minus x1. So let's go ahead and find that. So we know that f of x2 is 12 minus f of x1, which is -2. And then we're going to divide that by x2, which is 7, minus x1, which is 3. So therefore, we're going to get the slope of the following. It's going to be 12 plus 2, which is going to be 14 over 4, which reduces to 7 over 2. So therefore, there is our slope. Okay, now in part 2, we want to be able to find the point slope form, or the equation of that. So what that means is the following. We have f of x minus f of x1, which is equal to the slope times x minus x1. Okay, and so keep in mind that this is the one point that we labeled x and f of x1. Now we could use the other point as well. So let's go ahead and do this. So we have f of x minus f of x1, which is -2, which is equal to the slope, which is 7 over 2, times x minus 3. Now from here, let's go ahead and simplify. So we have f of x, this becomes plus 2. And then we need to distribute the 7 over 2. So we get 7 over 2x. 7 times minus 3 is going to be minus 21 over 2. Okay, and now we need to subtract 2 to both sides. So if we subtract 2, okay, then we're going to get the following. So we have f of x, which is equal to 7 over 2x minus, well, we know that this is 2 over 1, so we need to find a common denominator. So this becomes -21 over 2 minus, multiply the numerator and denominator by 2, which gives us 4 over 2, which then gives us -25 over 2. So therefore, this is going to be minus 25 over 2, and therefore there is our function. So down here, we would write the following. 7 over 2x minus 25 over